guys, we're working on the cream Thunderbird today. In the tranny pan, all this stuff looks like jello. Everything in the pan is jello. I don't know what that is. There's the pan. It's full of the same thing. It's got huge chunks of, looks like gelatin in there. It's nasty shit right there. All right, we're gonna pull this tranny. I'll bring you back. Okay guys, we're gonna pull the exhaust manifold bolts. There's two of them. There's one there, and then there's gonna be two on the other side. One there, and then there's one on the top right there. And that'll let the Y pipe come down. We'll take it at the muffler. John's pulling the drive shaft now, and then we'll work on getting the transmission jack over here and the bell housing bolts out. All right, I'll bring you back. Okay guys, we got John's FMX here. He's putting the bell housing on right now. We had a small block bell housing, so we're going to the bigger bell housing because it's FMX and he's got it crooked. Yep. So that's just those 4 bolts. There's one, he's got one there, and there's gonna be one, and then 2 in the bottom. We did a front seal already. I'll show you the front seal. Here's the front seal, new front seal. We'll do a rear seal later. So, and this is a used unit, so we're getting it in there to try to see what's going on. Hopefully this works for him. But now that's that. And once we get ready, we'll roll this thing in, and I'll bring you guys back and stabbing it up inside the car. Alright guys, we just stabbed the converter in. We're going to roll this thing under the car, and I'll get you guys set up somewhere. I can show you how we got it in. So that's going to be rolled over. There's Ray. What's up, Ray? Ray! Look at Ray. There's Ray. Look at him. You going to tell us, Ray? Tell us. Come on. Tell us. Come on. Tell us. Come on. Let's hear it. Okay. That's all we're going to get out of Ray today. Ray's not doing good today. That's what the barking. He ain't telling us shit, guys. Alright, so we're going to go. I'll keep you guys somewhere back here. Alright, guys, here we go. So John's going to start jacking that up. I put the dipstick tube in already. We left Speedy dry on the floor, so now everything rolls like shit. We should have taken and swept that real quick. Keep going, John. Alright, that should do it. So I go in crooked to start. Get the dipstick tube going the right direction, because the training lines need to be on the outside of the dipstick tube. So I usually just pull it back and lean it wherever I need to go. Then we'll line up the converter first, and then usually everything falls right in, no problem. Okay guys, so we got the tranny. We jacked it up. We caught that one bolt. There's one bolt here. There's one bolt. Where are you? Here. So we got that bolt in. There's one on the other side, the same spot. And then your torque converter should look like this. In the dark. That's exactly what it'll look like when you can't see anything. Alright, here it is. So make sure your stud is through the flex plate and not stuck on the wrong side of it. And that's your drain right there. And then if you look in the starter hole, you should be able to see the other stud in there. See the very tip of that hole? That's the other converter stud. So you always want to make sure those are lined up before you start cranking on bolts. Everything should fall in like this did and be flush. So we're going to put the other bolts in, and then I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, we're all buttoned up. We got the exhaust in. And 4 bolts are on. Starter's in. All the torque converter nuts are on. There. 4 of them. Drive shaft's in. As you see, you got 4 bolts there on the strap. On the U-bolt. And that's it, guys. We're going to start adding fluid. He ran down to get some gas. This is another one of the cars that hasn't run in years, so we'll see what happens. He has had it running, so we know it runs. So we just got to hook a vacuum line for the modulator valve and start it up and add fluid and see if it works. Hopefully everything works, because it is a used unit and it's unknown. So we'll see. But I'll bring you back. Alright guys, we filled it up with fluid. It's a moment of truth. John's going to try to back it out of here. John's gonna try to back it out of here again. Oh no, it went into reverse, guys. There's signs of life. Ray, get in here. Ray, you get over here, buddy. Here it goes. Ray, get over here. You get over here. This Ray likes to herd cars. One of these days, he's gonna get his ass run over. Get over here, Ray. Come on, get over here. There he goes. He's gonna hurt it. Ray, get over here. Well, it seems like it's working, guys. Ray, get over here. There it is. It's a running machine now. Huh? Free unknown training seems to work all right. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, guys. All right, guys, we're going for a test ride in this thing. John's got no seat. He said this thing is ghetto fabulous. We're gonna see if we have a second gear. We have it. Oh, look at this thing's shit. Oh yeah, that tire's gonna blow out. Well, we have second.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna take it to third.
I don't think it would either. She's quite the rattler. It's like the she's quite the rattler. She's shaking like crazy. Well, guys, her unknown training seems to be pretty all right. I'm gonna shake the wheels off of this bitch. Heck yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on the gas. Yeah. You guys probably can't see that shake, but it's pretty good. It's pretty stout. John's getting a cruising bird. He's all kinds of happy over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh?
Oh,
man, I'll just ride around town everywhere 25 miles an hour.
I feel like a...
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, she's got some flat spots. How do those brakes feel?
Not bad.
I don't think you have any rivs. We're gonna do brakes and everything on this like I did with the blue one. But yeah, man, this thing's doing all right. But like, share, subscribe, man. See ya.